Hey guys, I'm Hacker here. Today in this video, I'm gonna discuss about the hash train or a train command. Will this work? Okay, let's check. Here I have a post showing that if I type a train or hash train, uh, the skin will rain up on. Let me check that. At rain, a train. My internet is a fucking bullshit, so it will take some time to get post. Okay. Here I have typed a train and hash train. You can see nothing happened. Okay, actually, what's the trick is, let me show the page. Sorry, actually they need to get more likes on the Facebook, so they're posting like this, and they know that if they get a lot of comments, their post will become viral. So don't be a fool. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Keep watching my videos and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.